Hi, welcome back to my channel, Creatively Purple. I'm Carolyn, and today we're going to be looking at the slice tool in my design space. All right, so let's open up the app here. So what is the slice tool? What does it do? Well, this tool is meant to split two overlapping layers into separate parts. Now I say two because if you try to slice through more than two images, so more than two layers, it will not give you the option to slice. All right, so let's take a look here. I will open up a few shapes so that you can see what I mean. So here I have my shapes, and I'm just going to change them colors so that you can see the cut lines better. All right, so, all right, so here are my shapes. I'm going to put my circle here in the center. I'm going to shrink down my heart a teeny bit, and I'm going to arrange it to front. And I'm going to put it right in the center of the circle here. Now that I have that, I'm going to add my triangle. And I'm going to arrange this to front as well. And I'm going to place it where I would like to have it. So I want to have this shape cut out. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to select all three shapes, and I'm going to go under actions, and I'm going to look for the slice tool. And if you look down below, you'll actually see that the slice option is not available. And that is because, if you remember, I said that you could only have two overlapping layers to be able to slice. So I'm going to remove the triangle, and so I have the heart here. And so now I'm going to select both the heart and the circle, and now the slice tool is available. So I'm going to tap on this slice tool, and now my heart has sliced through the circle. So now I have my item sliced. And so it'd be the same thing if I were to take, say, the square and the triangle. I would select both of them and then slice, and now I have my new shape. And there we go. And that is what the slice tool is for. You can also do this with fonts. So if you have a font that you want to add into a shape, you can spell it out and then put it into the center or wherever you want to place. Select both the font and the shape, and then go under actions once more, and then hit that slice button, and now you have the font sliced into the shape. I hope this video was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, comment below. Be happy to answer. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified for my upcoming videos. Until next time.